Comrades and friends, our entire people have raised up to defend their freedom and independence, and at the same time contribute to the cause of
Ang
the
kabataan ay kasama sa pagbabago.
Comrades and
Sabi nga ni
friends,
Dr. Jose Rizal, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. And according to the state hereby declares that the youth is the critical period in a person's growth and development.